How to set up OnlyFans creator account step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how you can create creator account on OnlyFans. First thing you have to do is go ahead and search for OnlyFans website, and here just click sign up for OnlyFans. Just input your details like name, email, password, and after you do that, just click sign up. Now you have an account, but you have to verify your email. So go ahead and press verify email, and after clicking that, you'll be sent here. So send confirmation. Now go ahead and check your email inbox for the confirmation and click the word here. And now you're verified, and you can compose new posts here and do whatever you like. You can also add your card details so that you can withdraw the money in your bank. And that's how you set up an OnlyFans creator account. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.